Hi, my name is Tom Studer. I live in Basel, Switzerland, and I started working on guitar electronics as a hobby about a year ago. This is the BluesBox. It's my own design of a guitar overdrive effects pedal. It is based on a 1287 tube that runs inside at 34 volts. We have 9 volts coming in. We have a little internal 9 volt to 34 volt DC-DC converter to get the voltage for the tube. We have several controls to shape the level of distortion and various other things. Let me go through the various stages. We come in guitar, we go to a pre-gain, pre-amplification stage, we go into the tube, we go further on to a little equalizer, a tone stack with a treble and a bass control. We go inside, there is an output buffer, and then we go out to the amplifier or some other effects pedal. Other controls are the power switch for the tube heater. I can turn it on here, so that this heats up the tube and makes it ready. And we have a true bypass switch here, turning on or off the effects pedal as a whole. The various stages are separately controlled via a bypass switch. So for the pre-gain stage, I can bypass it on off. I can bypass the tube stage, and I can bypass the tone stack. This little control is a variable bass cut that allows me to cut the tone, the bass, going into the distortion stage. It is very subtle. In this position it's off basically, and turned all the way up it cuts the bass below about 200 hertz by a few decibel. It's very subtle. The whole thing, as I said, runs at 34 volts inside, which is important to be able to run the tube in a mode that allows it to actually act as a tube. Tubes require a lot of voltage, mostly 100, 200, 250 volts and up. Running it at 9 volts wouldn't be really, it's possible, but the sound created by it doesn't sound very appealing. With 34 volts, I get a good compromise between voltage management inside the box and performance. Yeah, this is basically it. In my next video, I will show how it sounds. So for now, thanks and goodbye.